One of the most interesting findings of this paper published in Science by the Brainstorm Consortium was to see that the genes that predispose to neurological diseases are all different, and the genes that predispose to have psychiatric diseases are all similar. And to this picture there is one exception, and that is migraine. Migraine shares some genes with the psychiatric disorders, specifically with ADHD, depression, and Tourette syndrome. This for us as researchers and clinicians will help us then perhaps to better understand what the physiology of this brain is about, and probably try to focus on learning more about this type of symptoms in our patients.
In this paper, we found for the first time a high correlation between several psychiatric disorders in terms of the genetic perspective. That is a nice opportunity to refine the psychopathology in the context of the genetic background. In our case, specifically, we participate with more than 3,000 subjects in the field of ADHD. We included controls and patients, and specifically for ADHD, we found a high correlation between ADHD and mood disorders, major depression disorder and bipolar disorder, and also with schizophrenia. That is important because this disorder share some symptoms, and that is the explanation why these symptoms is in different disorders.